Dear Daddy, you may not know this, but there are many moments in my life that make me grateful for you. You recall the time that you taught me how to swim. I was scared, but you were there, holding me steady and true. Remember when you let me sleep in the car? When we travel, sleep na malayo pa tayo. And I will still be sleeping when we get home. And you will carry me into the house. At home, you would teach me how to pray, read, and command. And spelling. Your booming voice prayed from the heart, thanking God for everything. I knew I had you with me. I faced my ups and downs with the same courage each and every time. And every time I think about it, it makes me thank God for you. You show me how to live a grateful life. Joy and laughter filled our home, even if we are going through hard times.
Why are you crying?
Now, you raised me faithfully and conditionally without asking for anything in return. More importantly, it was you who teach me about Jesus. Thank you for being the best that you can ever be. There's no better role model than you. Dad, I'm so proud to be your daughter. You did great. I turned out perfect. The older I get, the more I realize how much you have done for me. I would not be who I am today without you. I thank you, Dad. You bring so much joy in my life. I hope today we can return Sam. Any man can be a father, but it takes a special someone to be a dad. Thank you for always being there for me. Thank you for all the help, love, and support. I like our bedtime stories and chit-chat every night before we sleep. Sorry, this message is so cheesy, but I really love you, Daddy. Happy Father's Day to the world's greatest daddy. From the world's greatest doctor. I love you, Daddy. Happy Father's Day. But every day is Doctor's Day. Please load me every single day. So please load me every 7 days. Promise I'll do my command. Dad, excuse me.
Baliktad.
I love you, Daddy. Ma. I hope you will like our gift after this video. Yeah.